Great question. So to your point, Stephen, if you want to use a specific AI assistant for helping write code, because everything is version controlled, we can point that directly to your repository where you're storing all of your Coalesce code to be able to interact with it. So that, number one, off the bat, is absolutely a possibility. The second thing, let me jump back in here into Coalesce. There's a couple other components here that are AI related, just built into the platform. One thing that we didn't touch is actually this Copilot that's here. And let me go ahead, let's just jump into a node. If I were to click into Copilot, it's basically my way of being able to work with my data in a way where I can basically, this sounds almost too good to be true. And in certain ways, it doesn't quite work the way that I would necessarily what I'm about to say, but you can basically prompt your way to building a data pipeline where, especially if I'm a lesser technical user and I want to be able to write a transformation that I don't know the syntax to, I could come in here and basically say, hey, how do I write this window function to be able to apply this to the specific column? I could also, one of my favorite things that I often come in here and do is I can take a big CTE, a multi-step CTE, paste the code in here, and then have that, the Coalesce Copilot break that out into my pipeline subcomponents. So it's basically going to take each of those CTEs as a logical block, like we were talking about, and create that as its own individual node for each CTE that's available, and build you a pipeline that basically represents exactly what was happening, taking into account all that business logic, what was available in that specific CTE.